Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Imagine you want to speak English fluently, but you have no one to practice with. No English-speaking friends, no expensive classes, just you at home. Sounds impossible. Well, meet Emma. She found a way to master English without leaving her house. How? Stay with me and let's find out. Emma was a girl who wanted to improve her English. She lived in a small town and had no English-speaking friends. One day, she decided, I will practice English every day at home. First, Emma made a plan. She wrote on paper, speak, listen, read, write and think in English. Step 1. Speak English every day. Emma talked to herself in English. Every morning, she looked in the mirror and said, Good morning, Emma. Today is a great day. She described everything she saw. This is my bed. My pillow is soft. The window is open. She also asked herself questions. What will I eat for breakfast? I will eat eggs and toast. Speaking out loud helped her feel more confident. Extra tip. She recorded her voice and listened to it. This helped her find mistakes and improve her pronunciation. Step 2. Listen to English. Emma loved listening to English. She played English songs and repeated the lyrics. She watched English cartoons and copied how the characters spoke. She also used her phone to listen to English podcasts. While cleaning her room, she listened and repeated. Today's topic is weather. It is sunny today. Extra tip. She used subtitles when watching English videos. First, she watched with subtitles, then without. This improved her understanding. Step 3. Read English books. Emma loved stories. She started reading simple English books. She read aloud and practiced pronunciation. When she found a new word, she wrote it down and searched for its meaning. One day, she read, The cat is on the mat. She repeated, The cat is on the mat. She smiled and said, I am learning. Extra tip. She labeled things in her house with English words. Door, table, mirror. This helped her remember vocabulary. Step 4. Write in English every night. Emma wrote a small diary in English. Today I watched a movie. It was funny. She didn't worry about mistakes. She just wrote every day. She also wrote her shopping list in English. Milk, bread, apples. Writing helped her remember words. Extra tip. She started texting in English. Instead of using her native language, she sent messages in English to practice. Step 5. Think in English. Emma realized that she often thought in her native language, so she started thinking in English. When walking, she asked herself in English, Where am I going? I am going to the store. What will I buy? I will buy milk. Extra tip. She played a game. Every time she caught herself thinking in her native language, she switched to English. Step 6. Use online tools. Emma discovered free English learning tools. She used apps like Duolingo and YouTube to practice daily. She also joined online English-speaking groups where people helped each other. Extra tip. She set her phone and social media apps to English. This helped her see and use English every day. Step 7. Play English games. Emma found a fun way to practice English, playing games. She played word puzzles, crosswords, and language learning games online. She also played 20 questions with herself, thinking of a word and guessing it by asking, Is it a fruit? Is it red? Extra tip. She played video games in English and talked about what she was doing. I am opening the door. I need to find the key. Step 8. Sing in English. Emma loved music. She found her favorite English songs and sang along. At first, she read the lyrics, then she tried singing without looking. Extra tip. She challenged herself to learn one new song every week and sing it without reading the lyrics. Step 9. Find fun ways to learn English. Emma knew that learning English should not be boring. She made it fun by playing word association games, acting out words in front of a mirror, and watching funny English skits. She also practiced with tongue twisters like, She sells seashells by the seashore to improve her pronunciation. Extra tip. She created small challenges, like learning 5 new words every day and using them in sentences. Step 10. Improve vocabulary. Daily Emma knew that vocabulary was important for speaking English fluently, so she made a habit of learning 5 new words every day. She wrote them on sticky notes and placed them around her house. She used each word in a sentence to remember it better. Extra tip. She made a vocabulary jar. Every day she wrote a new word on a small piece of paper and put it in the jar. At the end of the week, she picked random words and tried to use them in conversations. After 3 months, Emma spoke better English. One day, she met a tourist in her town. The tourist asked, "Where is the bus stop?" Emma smiled and answered, "The bus stop is near the park." "Go straight and turn left." The tourist said, "Thank you." Your English is very good. Emma was so happy. She thought, "I did it. I learned English at home." Emma practiced English every day and she improved. You can do it too. Speak, listen, read, write, and think in English every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just practice and have fun. Remember, learning English is like a journey. Some days will be easy, some days will be hard, but if you keep going, you will see results. Even if you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes help you learn. The most important thing is to enjoy the process. Find fun ways to learn, challenge yourself, and be proud of your progress. Just like Emma, you can become confident in English by practicing at home. Did you like this story? If yes, like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!